I've slipped it into the back section and I've got the clamp here just loosely to help hold it in place for now. Okay, next we're gonna move up towards the top. You have the two V-bands with the resonator in the middle. So we're going to hang the top pipe and then hang the resonator in the middle. Okay, so you can see this upper section is now on, and that only leaves the resonator with the two V-bands in between. It's nice to get this section on next because you have this hanger that's going to hold it in place, so you're not trying to balance multiple pieces all at once. Make sure to put your large clamp at the top. I believe that's the 3-inch clamp if I remember correctly. So you slip the sleeve onto your downpipe with the clamp in place. That's a 15mm nut there on the clamp. Now that one in general, because it's a fixed position back here at the hanger, and with that clamp you can at least tighten that down reasonably. Then we're going to come back down and we're going to put the resonator in place with the two V-bands. I'll show you what that looks like next. All right, so you got these little flip V-bands. These are actually really nice. So this lever will come around and will flip and connect. So you'll want to hang the resonator in the middle. The top side is flanged, the bottom is not, but they'll match anyway, so you can only put it in one direction, the way the flanges work. You can see I've got a little gap in the flange right now, but you'll just take it and you'll just flatten it up really nicely. You'll bring the V-band over the top of that, and then go ahead and crank the V-band down, just snap the lever down, and then these will be tight. So at that point, all of your exhaust line components are in, and we'll talk about fitment next. All right, so you can see that the resonator is in and the V-band clamps are tight. Go ahead and tighten them down, and don't forget the nylon locking nut that goes after it as well, because since this is a straight pipe, these tight will help hold it all in place. You can tighten down the clamp at the top as well.